either you can do the mistake or you can learn yourself. And second thing, the mistakes of others you can learn very easily. So read books, read biographies, so you can learn so many things. If somebody going in the way and he know there will be the he's going in the way and the bridge is broken, then you can learn from his experience. If you go in that way, you face difficulty. Similarly, way if something happen in his life, he can teach you, the mentor, a guardian, teacher, a parents that guide you, so you can learn from them. That is more important. Second thing, people are comparing his life with another life. They say that God has given so many things to them, but you don't have. But you blessed with problem means you are blessed with something else. That is opportunities. There was a problem, so AC has been invented. There was the problem, so Facebook has been invented. There was the problem, so aeroplane, train has been invented. So problem may be there in your life, but you believe that the problem make you more problem, then again it will be. Suppose there will be a cricket match between India and Australia. Australia is the big team. He already secured 300 runs. And India is now playing, they are doing the batting. 200 runs has been secured. And as I told you, 300 runs, 100 runs is pending. Already 8 wickets have been gone or 9 wickets. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is there and some other players. There will be many expectations. And suppose Mahendra Singh Dhoni play very good and he secured very good run, 180 runs, 180 runs or 100 around 100 runs. And everyone say it's a big thing. So problem is there and it achieved by someone. Then not only Indian team or Indian person will be say Mahendra Dhoni is big person, he is doing very good, but world will say. But the same thing, suppose Australia has done only 120 runs and India already win the match, then nobody will bother about that. So problems are there, then only somebody has done great thing, then only it will be recognized. If there will be no problem and somebody has not done, then he will not be the hero. So heroes are only those who have contributed to the society and they accept the challenge and they achieve the tasks, the difficulties, the problems, and then become the other heroes. Every time we have to face the challenge, I image like a hero. You should have courage. You should take one step ahead. God will definitely help you. If you believe yourself, so God will definitely help you. That will be the situation and that can be overcome. बाहर रहेगा तो आप नहीं लड़ेंगे, बट सांप आपका अंदर है, आपको काटने के लिए दौड़ेगा तो आप लड़ेंगे, उससे मारने की कोशिश करेंगे। इधर वो आपको काटेगा या आप उसको मारेंगे। जब प्रॉब्लम आएगा तब आप लड़ेंगे, उसको सॉल्व करेंगे, तभी आप वो कर पाएंगे, नहीं तो आप कर नहीं पाएंगे। इसलिए आप पहले क्या करेंगे, प्रॉब्लम आना चाहिए आपके पास, तब आप जाके कुछ करोगे, नहीं तो अदरवाइज यू कांट डू दैट। The problem will be there, and then only you can achieve your target and you can do this. Human will always think about the very easy thing. आसान रास्ता ढूंढता है everyone. दो रास्ते आपके पास आते हैं. There are two way you are finding. One is difficult, one is easy. The human brain is like that. They will always think about the easy thing. The simple way he will always choose. The only way he will choose सिंपल रास्ता। क्यों भाई? डिफिकल्टी जो कि ब्रेन के लिए अच्छा नहीं है। कोई भी इंसान कष्ट करने के लिए नहीं है। अभी गर्मी लग रहा है, यू शुड स्विच ऑन द एसी एंड यू स्लीप, दैट एवरीवन थिंक अबाउट दैट, बट देयर इज विल डिफिकल्टी, बट आप पसीना नहीं बहाओगे, इफ यू नॉट वर्क हार्ड देन अगेन ये प्रॉब्लम फॉर योर बॉडी। सो प्रॉब्लम may be there in the life, but how you are handling that is more important. The way you are handling that is more important. So मुश्किल जो आते हैं, प्रॉब्लम्स जो आते हैं आदमी को बर्बाद करने नहीं आते, उसको कुछ सिखाने के लिए आते हैं, कुछ लर्न करने के आते हैं। So something, if you think that there will be a problem or challenges, you accept it and you solve it. So thank you, all the best for your life and success in your life.